Did you know that there is a way of consistently making passive income month after month without even recruiting anyone? Hi, I'm Tony, and I have been in the advertising and lead generation industry for over 20 years now. With our platform, you can make passive income in two different ways. The first way will be by simply watching different ads for about 20 seconds and being rewarded for each ad viewed. The second way will be by the massive spillovers of our global power line after our launch. We are currently on pre-launch, and you can now create a free account. And if you wish to earn even more, get your referral link and promote our platform. At any time before launch, if you wish, you can pay the $30 registration fee in order to secure your position in our global power line. On launch date, we have developed AI software that will be positioning the paid members one after the other at a systematical high speed. Priority will be given, and rightfully so, to our top recruiters and then the rest of the paid members, according to the time of registration. During this pre-launch period, I will be hosting Zoom calls where I will be demonstrating the simplicity of our platform and, of course, answer all your possible questions. So, this platform is the ultimate solution for the gap in the market. On the one side, business advertisers will have thousands and thousands of targeted viewers watching their specific offer for pennies on the dollar. Just imagine, for a moment, being able to expose your opportunity to thousands and thousands of individuals who are the perfect targeted audience with an extremely low fee compared to social media ads, solo ads, or any other advertising method. On the other side, paid members and even free members can simply be watching ads and getting paid for each clip viewed.
Global Premieres is an innovative and an advertising platform that powers your existing business opportunity. Get quality viewers watching, participating, and even clicking to any website you choose, or even to watch any video you place on our platform. When you join our expanding global team of premieres, you are getting paid on the memberships and packages sold through our global team efforts. You can even earn every month without ever enrolling a single person. Even a free membership can earn every day by simply watching ads. So why should you register for free? Well, because you get free access to our training in marketing, sales, and in building yourself a business. The ability to earn an income with global premieres through, number one, watching and viewing traffic ads. Number two, sharing, participating in our Premieres League. Number three, inviting paying members to our platform. You can buy advertising credits to expose your business to a huge community of premieres, entrepreneurs, and marketeers. As a paid member of Global Premieres, you are the real force of this platform, where you can advertise your business opportunity to the globe and even participate the same way as Free Members Plus. We have the highest compensation plan. There's a 2x12 matrix income, direct commission, infinity commissions. We have the leadership ranks, sharing pools and premiere treatment, instant and monthly income, and special bonuses. This is truly exciting time with one of the best marketing strategies proven to drive maximum results, and it's all 100% automated for you. While you are talking about our products and services for you, you get a full access to the products and services. Inside the Global Premieres platform, you'll find advertising credits for banner ads and text ads, traffic ads, video and website active viewers, mastering advertising course, and of course all our marketing tools. To become a paid member, it costs only a $15 one-time setup fee and $15 per month. By promoting the business, you can actually start achieving higher ranks that reward you even more. As you can see here, as a paid member, you get rewarded 12 levels deep in your 2x12 matrix, offering you a maximum commission of a staggering $4,095 per month. But when you achieve higher ranks, when your matrix rewards you 13 and even 14 levels deep, all the way to $16,383 per month, which is 4 times more money in commissions. An advanced member opens up 13 levels deep, an elite member opens up 14 levels deep, and the premier goes all the way to 14 levels deep plus dividends every month from the total monthly sales of our company. Listen to this now. We are giving you the opportunity to buy your way to any rank from day one, because we really want you to be able to achieve your maximum potential even from day one. With $100, you instantly become an advanced member, giving you also 5,000 impressions plus 500 active viewers and the advertising course. With $200, you instantly become an elite member, giving you 10,000 impressions plus 1,000 active viewers and the advertising course. With $500, you instantly become a premier member, giving you 25,000 impressions plus 2,500 active viewers and of course the advertising course. And as you can see here, you are also getting a higher commission by being the sponsor of a ranked member of $20, $40, or $100. We are probably the only company giving the possibility to even free members to introduce and get paid in direct commissions. Let's show you now our compensation plan. Whether you are a free member or a paid member, you can participate in the traffic income. Every time you view a website or watch a video, you get paid. Even as a free member, you get direct commission when you register a member who upgrades to a paid advanced, elite, or premier. And remember, even free members get paid direct commissions. Of course, you can invite as many people as you wish and get instant direct commission. On your 2x14 matrix, you will be receiving every month 50 cents for each active member who is in your matrix, either being in your personal organization or has fallen as a spillover from your above sponsors and our global power line. Then we have Infinity membership bonus, which comes one time, and the Infinity subscription bonus that compensates you every single month. For the Infinity membership, you receive $2 for a paid membership, $4 for an advanced membership, $8 for an elite membership, and $20 for a premier membership. For the Infinity subscription bonus, you will receive $2 every month from every active affiliate in your team, specifically from your third referral all the way to infinity, as you can see in this image. Then we have the leadership ranks that we have explained before, and that you can always either achieve by actively building your team or alternatively buy it at any time you wish. And finally, the Premier's Global Pool, which is a percentage of the monthly total sales of our company divided equally to all our Premier members. As an example, if there are 50,000 active members in our company, that means there is $50,000 getting generated every month in the Premier Pool. And this amount is distributed equally among the Premier members every single month. As a conclusion, we have 7 different ways that you can get rewarded with our outstanding compensation plan. So, let me congratulate you in advance on becoming a very important part of our global premieres, where together we will reach all our goals and dreams. See you on the other side.